projects coming in for Catherine Bernardo. To accommodate filming, Catherine, her siblings, and her mother moved to Manila, while her father maintained the business in Nueva Ecija. Catherine was always cast as young versions of main characters in different series. ABS-CBN produced a Fantaseria with children in lead roles. This was Super Ingo, helmed by the late Gilbert Perez, who also directed her in It Might Be You.
And yung director ko nun, si Manang Gilbert Perez pa. Ito to sa favorite director ko ngayon, kaya super nalungkot ako nung nawala siya. Kasi siya yung nag-train talaga sa akin sa mga drama, ganyan, dami ko natutunan kasi naka-work ko din siya sa MMKs and sa Super Ingo.
After Ingo came more parts in different teleseries.
16 na naman po ako eh. Kaya ko na po dyan sa loob.
And the little girl continued to grow, right before the viewing public's eye.
Wala na po yan. Wala na kayo.
Her natural ability to cry attracted more projects, particularly one that was more demanding than the rest. In Magkaribal, Catherine was cast as the young Victoria, played by Gretchen Barreto. In the series, Victoria resorts to selling her body to support her younger sister. The role called for some very sensitive scenes, which were quite a challenge for the young actress. Her short yet impactful performance in Magkaribal led to her leading role in the 2010 remake of a television classic, Mara Clara.
Kita na ng management ng mga galing bata. Kaya nung naghahanap ng ABS ng ilo-launch na cleaner, si Catherine ang naisip ng management ng ABS to launch as Mara Del Valle.
Una, hindi ko pa alam kasi pina-screen test muna kami. Tapos after yun, masabi yun, ako parang, hindi ko paniwala kasi yun yung first ever na ako yung title holder, tapos first screen, ako yung lead, hindi na, kaya niya, ay support lang, super saya po talaga.
Catherine was the first choice. Siya talaga yung nakikita ng management to be Mara because of her maamang mukha. She has the makings of a teleserye actress.
But ABS-CBN didn't want Mara to be crying all the time. They wanted a different Mara.
Yung Mara Clara na napanood ng generation natin, o nung the older generation, si Julian Santos, iba yun, marugdog na drama yun. Yun yung dramang pangtanghali na kailangan tayo magising dahil nakakaantok. Gusto natin, instead of sleeping, manonood tayo ng television. So, drama ng sampalan, gave it mas appealing to the teenagers.
Catherine was well aware of the pressure on her to put in a performance as good as, or even better, as her idol's Mara.
Sa Mara Clara, dun kami talaga nag-play ni Julia, kay Direk Jerome. Kasi lahat kami pag kay Direk Jerome, marinig mo yung boses niya from the system. Kaya kami lahat kasi super, pag andun ka sa work,